Hi, and once again, welcome to CarShield's tips and tricks to keeping you and your car on the road longer. I'm your host, Jason Lewis. We'll keep today's show light, literally. Let's go over how to safely inspect your headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals, and why it's so important to keep an eye on them. Long story short, your lights are a direct communication to other vehicles around you and keep you safe during the day and night. Plus, nobody wants to get rear-ended in an accident or get an expensive ticket with something you can very easily maintain. So, let's quickly show you how to inspect your car's lights. Today, we won't be demonstrating how to change out the lights yourself, so if you're a hardcore DIYer, look for that video in the future. Starting with your headlights, be sure to check both low and high beam, and your front turn signals, both left and right. At the rear of your vehicle, be sure to inspect your brake lights, tail lights, turn signals, and backup lights. Another simple step you can do yourself is to make sure that all of the light covers are clean. Just take an old rag and some Windex or other cleanser and wipe off any dirt or mud. Also, if you find your headlights foggy and less bright than usual, a good hack to clean that fog away is to grab your favorite toothpaste and a toothbrush, preferably not the one you're currently using. This simple action could be the difference between another car seeing you or not. I hope we shed some light on just how to be safe when it comes to your vehicle's lights. Well, that wraps up our tips for today, and don't forget, CarShield cars go farther.